Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily create a vertical shake effect in CapCut. So here you just need to add your clips. In this case, I'm using 3, and you can just go to the video effect, click on the nightclub category, and then add the vibration flash effect. Click on a check icon and adjust the effect so that the blur is in between the clips. Okay, set it like this so that the blur is in between the clips on the transition here, and then adjust the effect, speed 40, intensity and range 100, then the glow 70. Click on a check icon and now copy the effect and put it for the next clip. Do it the same like the first one so that the transition, the blur is on the transition. Like this. Okay. Now go to the video effect again. Click on the TV category and add the jitter effect. This one. Click on a check icon, put it the same like the first effect, like this, and now click on object and make sure that it applies to all video. Click on a check icon. So add keyframes at the start, middle, and also the end of the effect. For the start, for the first keyframe, set the range to 20, and then on the middle one, set the range to 100, and on the last one, back to 20. Click on a check icon. Now copy the effect and put it for the second clip. Like this. And now click on the second clip, go to animation and find the swing bottom animations and adjust it for 0.2 seconds. Do it the same with the third clip. Click on a check icon and now add 2 keyframes for the second and third clip at the start and the end. Okay, like this. So on the second clip, in the first keyframe, move the clip to the left, and then on the last one to the right. Okay, and do it vice versa on the third clip. So right and left. Okay, so now you can just add ease out grabs for the keyframes and you are done after that. Okay, so this will be the result for the vertical shake. So that's all for me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment and subscribe. Bye.